But I try to learn my lesson when I don't. Oh, yeah. Alright, you need closure? I still need closure from one of my breakups. It's a joke about the word closure being like closure. It'd be nice. If you're doing something that makes somebody yell shut up at you, you're probably not being very nice. Alright. Make sure your entire team has discussed this and you all agree. 10 seconds and I'm calling on the person for the answer. Alright, Phoebe. Is this independent? Dependent? Independent because they do not impact each other, right? Spinning the 5, then spinning the 4 would not impact each other. 9 is gone. Send someone up to the tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. So it is air.
Why is there people's names?
At the end of the year, you can sign a block if you want. Sorry, I never told you guys that. Sophia, give me a number. That isn't 9. 11. Simplify this expression. If you can't, tell me why. But hint, you can simplify this. You got to write it out first. Real obvious who didn't do their homework last night now. You're taking from the bottom? If this falls over, it might kill you. If you're like right down here.
If I die, I'll die.
Don't do it.
If I die, I'll die taking from the bottom. This is, it always has to be this way.
Just yank it with a Band-Aid.
No.
Hey. See?
I've never lost Jenga, and I'm not starting today.
I wouldn't say never. Don't fall. Booga booga.
The only good rules are one-handed Jenga.
Hey, remember, I'm not going to wait for you guys if you were watching Robert. Like, we got to answer this problem and keep moving on. Nice work. Now, go give your points. Yep. Remember, 4 for the question, 3 for the block.
So
7. Yep. You guys are ready? All right. Here we go. Stella, what'd you guys decide? Ooh, but you got to simplify it. So I'll give you guys another couple seconds, but if you can combine like terms, you got to combine like terms. So put any like terms you can together. I went to Coshocton. I normally get sick after I go to Coshocton. But that was like 2 weeks ago. Alright, so now it'd be too easy if I call on Stella again. So Daniel, what do you got?
12 plus negative 3, yeah?
That is correct. Send someone to the tower. 11 is gone.
yes.
Eric, give me a number.
Do it.
We don't scream at the people at the tower. We do the next math problem while he's at the tower. Eric, give me a number. 10. All right, we like this little batch right here, I guess. Another simplify one, but at least this one's not words.
It's easier. I said
She said her. I heard her.
Wait, easier? There's no point saying easier. You're just going to say.
Question is, how tight does it feel? If it feels too tight, I wouldn't pull it, but that's up to you.
The bottom was very tight.
Careful with like your arms on the table. Remember, the middle ones are worth 1, the outside ones are worth 3. So the outside ones are worth more points. You got to make a decision soon because somebody else is going to have their turn. There's a real loose. Oh no! Man, that was a good block too. Now, does it count? Does it count if the bottom of the tower didn't fall?
Yeah, the bottom of the tower didn't fall.
Half the tower didn't fall,
So
half the
we'll
point.
do a -5.
Yeah.
Guys, the points don't matter. This is like whose line is it anyways?
Yeah.
What's your team?
Two.
Who are you?
Hubbies.
They're the hubbies.
Okay, I'm gonna go back up. I'm gonna do the same thing again.
It's not like you booby trapped it. It fell just at the top. Daniel, I think you just got unlucky, man. I think you just got unlucky. Yeah, we gotta reset it. Take it back to the beginning. It's alright, Daniel. It happens. Hey, we gotta move. We gotta keep going. You can't be that particular, Ava. I guess we could. Eric's team, are we about ready? Hey, you're not on her team. Sit down. You're not teammates today. I know it breaks your heart, but you two are not teammates today.
They never are. It's rigged. They're never together.
Well, when they get to choose who they sit with, their teammates, like on the daily. Daniel, I bet it was this fan. I just blew it over. I'm just joking. Yeah. All right. By the way, I told Math 8 today that they're better than you guys at the claps, so sorry, just being honest. So,
That is so disrespectful.
well, let's try again. See, now you guys are pretty even. All right, Caitlin, what is this when simplified? Now I turned this fan up too much because I'm hot. You said... Sorry, what did you say? That is not it. So we have a steal opportunity. Hold up. Heads, tails. Tails. So, Landon, what's your answer? It's got to be your answer. Nobody can give... What'd you say? That is not it. So, wait, which... Yeah. Nina Cave, what is your answer?
I don't know.
I guess none of us get this one. So, nope, every team had a chance. Every team had a chance.
You should have said something without
Negative x, negative 4x, negative 3x. There's only one positive x.
I didn't know that was a negative 4.
Guys, like we continually say, even though it looks like minus, if it is in front of the number, it goes with the number.
Thank you.
So, because I can't subtract 4x from 5. That's not possible. So, those count as negatives. So, this ends up negative 5, negative 6, 7, 8, but then plus 1, negative 7x. And then what should your constant be? What's minus a negative do? Positive or plus. So 5 plus 3? 8. My smart board's being goofy today. Alright, sorry guys. Every team had a chance. You guys got to make sure you're talking to each other and solving the problem. So, here's the nice thing though. It circled all the way around and it's your guys' turn. Or no, it was your turn.
It's our turn now.
Eric's turn. So, Macy, give me a question. 20. Being bold. Going for 20. Alaska.
Alaska
Delaware.
I already have the answer.
Solve the You already have an answer?
Yeah, I did.
Then talk to your team about how they can answer it and make sure it's right. By the way, yeah, I don't see very many calculators. I don't know why. You can all
I got a
use
calculator. You told me my dad. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So you can see. Yeah, I realize that's you guys still see? Now you should be able to see. Ooh, I just felt a real loose block. Previous weeks, guys. Well, if you love him, you should probably say his name right. It's Dobrea. All right, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. And yeah, I know we can't have partial people, but we are going to talk about the decimal here. Now there should be 2 decimal places on this number. So I guess I just gave you a big old hint. 10 seconds. And wait, now I'm confused because this was Macy's question. Why is Ava? You went to the wrong team. It's okay, but I got to move your card because you're with the wrong team. So that's fine. Whatever. Peyton, what do you have for your answer here? 1.15 person per square mile. Literally, a person every square mile. That's ridiculously spread out. All right, send someone to the tower. It is Alaska, though. It's kind of cold. Vera, give me a number.
Outer ones are worth more. The middle ones are worth less.
14. Subtract. Is that the next hit song to follow the wobble? The wiggle? The wiggle?
You got it. Oh yeah, you did. You gotta add points.
I already did.
You gotta.
My advice would be going proper first.
So that's 7 plus 7 again.
I was gonna give you a hard time about not having any work, but you guys know how you did it without work. Without showing work. Make sure you talk to your team. You had a great chat. Go 30 seconds. We got a lot of problems to get through. Hey, who was it that when you came in here you told me about like kids in the hall or whatever? Okay, just checking so we can track down where to look. Was it in the nerd hallway here? Okay, not the center one. What? Not that I know of, but I call this the nerd hallway because it's the math dudes and Estes and Kabilo, and we're just a bunch of nerds. I think he stole it from me because I dubbed it the nerd hallway last year when we were like designing the building. I was like, oh, they're gonna put all of us together, all the nerds are getting to hang out. Why am I walking over here? I'm not teaching. Who was this? Vera? All right, we ready? As your team talked, had a great chat. Katie, what is our answer here? It is not 9/10. 30 seconds to talk with your team and make sure everyone on your team has it. Wait, hold on. No, it is. I looked at the wrong thing on my answer key. It is 9/10. My bad. Send someone up. Katie. Mallory, give me a number.
Ooh, I like 2.
You like 2?
Yes, 2
2.
is my lucky number.
Oh.
I got the answer.
Talk with your team. You got to make sure that they agree that it's right.
There was a nice loose block, right?
Yeah, I thought, well, if you were one of the people who built the tower, it's sort of an advantage to have been one of the people who built the tower. You do not have to use the 5D process. You can if you want. You don't have to. Yeah, but everyone else needs the answer and the appropriate work on their paper also.
Is this the appropriate work? I use X.
I mean, it's not what I tell you guys is the easiest, but it's still fine. You can use whatever variable you want.
X is like simpler.
I think using variables from their names is simpler, but is your whole team ready?
No.
Well, see, actually, you should be talking to them, not me.
Substituting words for the bad words? Like every sentence you guys just said, simplified the bad words for a better word.
I think you should solve this math problem.
You said simplified, easiest, easier.
I think you should solve this math problem. I already given lots of people hints. It's in the Bible. Can you tell me the answer to this question? Then I definitely cannot tell you my middle name. I would do this with algebra. That's for We already had one steal today. We might have another one.
You're old. No. Yes, it is. 12. Never trust 12. Yeah, she's right.
So are we getting close to done?
And then Julia. And Julia's 48.
2 kids and Julia.
All I said was Julia.
Yeah, Julia's 69.
Her kids would be very young. Hey, Zira, stop it. The whole shouting out wrong answers to hope, like, your team is the one solving. You are right, Chloe. You should probably make sure you know the answer to this.
Okay, so.
Definitely should expect problems like this on your test tomorrow, so if you're iffy on this, I would try to review some things tonight. Remember, the ebook is on Schoology now, the homework help is on Schoology now. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. It's your question. It's just, who am I going to call on? Do you guys all have the same answer? Chloe, what is your answer here?
So I have Julia down for 48 years old. I have her youngest child down to 12 years old, and her oldest child is 16.
So you said 48, 16, and 12. That is correct. Send somebody up.
How did you do your math though? I don't know how you got that.
That was 2.
What's it? Just look at it.
So if that was that team, then Robert, give me a number.
15. I never
15.
get questions wrong. See, I never get them wrong.
That was a pretty good pick, Robert.
I never get them wrong.
Twice in one class.
Please.
Rebuild it. Rebuild it.
Shoot, Mallory, shoot.
So,
I set her up.
we'll go ahead and just give you a -5 also. And this is I gave them a -5. You're arguing again, right?
Wait, it was really fine until I. You were too rough on the baby.
30 seconds. This is a quick problem.
Yes, we need that much time to restack the whole Jenga tower.
Yeah, I mean, I could help, but I don't really want to, so.
Wow. I mean, he did make the Jenga tower himself.
Yeah, I did, like, cut all the wood and sand it and all that, so.
Why do all the Jengas have 2 different towers?
They are.
One's from an actual
One-
Jenga tower, I think, and the others are wood.
One's just older. I made both of those sets. One set was just older than the other. And then some blocks got lost out of it.
I don't trust the Jenga tower now.
Robert is right. They are unnecessary when we multiply. And not that you couldn't do common denominators. You could. It's just unnecessary. How about your team? Oh, come on.
Okay, I think it's stable. No one knock it down.
Yeah, my claps were weak there. We shuffled, so before people get mad at me, like this deck just got shuffled because we ran out of cards.
It's gonna hit Sophia.
Peyton, what is your answer? It is 36 over 15. You multiply, you can, but did it say you had to? That was Olive, give me a number. Robert's doing the same thing again. What is your probability of spinning even? Cake? Did I hear cake is the probability?
No.
The cake is a lie.
It is. It's made out of fish, I think.
Cake is made out of fish.
Yeah.
I'm nervous for you.
Don't worry, it's fine. I don't knock things over. I'm confident, but I'm not doing
I'm
one
not
hand.
confident.
That's
Don't
what I'm doing.
Don't even say what I hear I'm about to say.
Oh, there you are. So wait, this, are these all equal slices? I don't know. That's a good one. Oh my God. Now he's getting cocky. He's like, look at me, I'm not throwing these things.
end up flipping the tower.
I tell him to tie his shoes like every day.
That sounds
Doesn't matter.
Oh, I don't. Yeah.
Yes, it is. Look.
I forget stuff.
Get the bottom number you add up.
If we're adding fractions, we gotta have common denominators. They faked us out. They probably accidentally did Phoenix instead of Perry. That's when it... Oh, maybe not. She's an 8th grader. You don't know her. Are we ready? All right, Sophia. What is the probability of even? Is it 5/12ths? It is. So guys, the trap here. Hey, eyes up here. Eyes up here. Which probably means your mouth like closes, because I'm going to explain it so you guys can stop arguing with each other. These are not equally sized. So when I look at them, I have to think about them separately. It's not 2/5. There are 2 slices, but it's not 2/5. So how big is this? 1/4. How big is this? 1/6. That's the trap. So we need to add up 1/4 and 1/6. We need common denominators first. Your common denominator would be 12. And because so many people were rocky on this problem, you can expect one very similar to this on the test. Moving on. We're running out of time. That was Sophia. So 0. Give me a number. 8. Independent or dependent? I cannot joke. Why don't start?
You gotta draw it in
10 seconds. 5, 4, 2, 1. All right, CX. CX, what do you think? Independent. He trips and knocks over the tower. Macy, give me a number. 1. It might be worth less points, but it's safe.
You can't guarantee that. He could.
Okay, you're right. He could.
5, 6, 7. Yes, he has. What's -5 plus 7?
Man, for someone who doesn't have their assignment done, you're sure doing a lot more laughing than I'd be doing. I'd be using this time to get the whole thing done. Not just the problem we're looking at, but the whole thing. Those of you that didn't do your homework last night, you could be doing it right now. Like, not just this problem, but all of them. Let's go 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 149. So I tweaked it a tiny bit from what's on your paper. All I really care about here is how much does Evan still need to save. Yeah, Nina, you're doing more like being dramatic and whatever else than you are doing math. Can you just focus and do math? Talk with your team. So, hey guys, saying no it isn't, yes it is.
Okay.
Defend with math. Argue with math.
I know what Chloe did. I know what Chloe did.
Oh wait, no.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're doing different.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Percent.
Wrong. We gotta write it percent?
Wrong. Are you ever gonna give his son seats or they all have?
My goal is to never need to. I'd much rather let you guys sit wherever you want. So unless you guys really give me a reason to, you've danced the line. Like some of you guys have danced the line.
I just like the sign seat.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, well, claim a seat and like put your name on it or something. I don't know. All right. Who was that? Macy picked that one. How are you guys doing? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Lucy, how much money does Evan need to save? Hey, Robert. Nope. Lucy. It's how much he still needs to save. That is correct. Because 45% would have been $27, so he still needs to save $33. Send somebody up. Or Robert's going to go dance the line of danger.
Yeah, I wanted to, but I'm just not giving it.
Olive, give me a number. Seven. So I'll give you a hint on this one. It could be two different answers. So I'm going to ask you to defend. You're going to have to defend your answer and tell me why. I'm not waiting for people that are watching Robert. We're moving.
Robert, don't knock the tower.
And then whatever. Because
It's okay. He watched some stuff. Yeah, I mean, it was during Terry class. That hurts me though, because it tells me how much you guys don't know each other. Right? 7th grade, 8th grade. I can't really hear you, but we can talk. We only got 3 minutes left. Robert, come on. Oh my goodness. Put the block on because we're moving on. Ooh, you guys are getting better at the claps. Maybe I just need to throw some shade so you guys will. Katie, what do you think and why? Hey, I can't hear Katie, and that's a big issue. Stop being disrespectful. Katie.
Either one, but we think independent because the dog's already eaten and it's probably a jar full of the same biscuits.
If they are the same biscuits, like our soda problem with the lemon lime soda, like cooler full of sodas, it would be independent. If they're different biscuits, then it could be dependent, right? So it could be either. Avery, give me a number. 19. Multiply. All right. So this is. Stop being mean.
That's good advice.
Exactly. They've been mean to me all day.
You can't say something nice.
Not saying it all.
Yeah, Zero. Take that as advice.
Hey, maybe we could just like talk about math and there's no reason to be mean.
We could.
Unless we're finding the mean. But wait, what? Time flies when you're having fun, man. Anybody, what is our answer here?
217 over 54, I think.
Negative 217 over 54. Have a great day. See you guys later. If you want to help me put this away, sweet. Probably easier to just do this.
Oh my god!
Not my fault.
Robert, you never get called.
No, that's not fair. He didn't knock it over.
Yeah, Robert did not get.
Mallory did.
Excuse me. Don't put my name in shame.
That actually is my strategy too.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Is it the real photos?
No, so that was never homework. That was gonna be that it was gonna be a mastery that we were working on. So there's no new homework. Yep.
Hey, yo, if you're on bad, don't forget your instrument.
Do what? Sure. Yeah, it's done. You can turn it in.
So I'm completely mastered as of right now, and I have nothing on map. And I got
Okay.
is anything going to be added on map, which would make me incapable of going to the canteen?
No, I updated my. Well, I don't know about other teachers, but I updated my grades this morning,
Okay.
and I'm not adding any new assignments tonight. I will update if people have things that I need to update.
Okay.
But yeah, so you should be fine. I mean, and if a teacher added something today, I'd probably still let you do the canteen. Like,
Because I checked mapping.
yeah.
Right before math class.
I just had that
So Mia Estes said, if you think that that assignment is turned in and like needs him to look at it, that you should probably go talk